This officer thought he could demand compliance without ever explaining why the driver was stopped. What followed was a tense standoff filled with threats, intimidation, and one simple question the officer couldn't answer. The driver calmly asked why he is being pulled over. Again and again, he requested a reason for the stop, but instead of providing one, the officer doubled down, ordered him out of the vehicle, and insisted that the driver's questions didn't matter. What happened next exposed the entire stop.
Because when you don't provide it, it's an additional charge.
Here's your name and badge number.
Step out of the vehicle before you're taken out of the vehicle. Everything here is going to go as you want. It goes as I want. Do you understand you are not in charge?
That's not
that, right?
I'm requesting your supervisor.
I just want you to tell me that you understand you've been asked for ID already.
When there's a crime.
Because when you don't provide it, it's an additional charge. I'm just letting you know.
It's not a crime, though.
It is a crime to not identify yourself. You're on a traffic stop right now.
For what, though?
You can't
just pull somebody over for no reason.
As soon as you identify yourself.
You have to tell me first.
I don't do things in your order, sir. I do them in mine.
Name and badge.
That's how things work.
Name and badge number.
Your ID, your registration,
name and badge number,
and your
please.
insurance. Are you going to provide that? Yes or no?
Name and badge number, please.
Okay. Is that a yes or no?
Name and badge number, please. I'm not refusing. Name and badge number.
Are you going to provide the documents I requested?
As soon as you told me.
Yes or no?
Why are you putting me over? No. Name and badge number. I need your name and badge number.
Step out of the vehicle before you're taken out of the vehicle.
Name and badge number.
You understand that?
Name and badge number.
I'm just letting you know.
This is unlawful, man.
I don't even
listen, man. Look. Listen.
You understand you have to step out now.
Can you listen to me real quick?
I don't know your name, but I'm hoping that you understand because I've been clear to you.
Look, please can you listen to me?
You have to get out of the vehicle.
Can you please listen to me real quick?
I'm going to listen to you as soon as you do what you're asked. By law, you have to provide your name, your vehicle registration, insurance. And now that you haven't done that, you're going to step out of the car.
What's the statute for that?
And then everything will be explained to you.
Please,
all right? It's not in your
explain it to me
order,
now,
and you are not in charge.
Please explain it to me now.
You understand that, okay? Go ahead and step out. Bring your documents with you.
I just want to know why am I being pulled over?
You're going to be advised.
Now, please.
Nothing here is going to go as you want. It goes as I want. Do you understand you are not in charge?
That's not how it goes. It has to
do
be
you understand that?
By law.
So now you have to step out of the vehicle. I'm going to identify you, and then you'll be advised why you're on the side of the road right now. Not in the order in which you choose.
Can I have your supervisor, please?
It's in the order in which I choose.
I'm requesting your supervisor.
So go ahead and step out of the car.
Sir, can I have your name and badge number real quick?
You've been advised to step out of the vehicle.
Can I have your name and badge number? You're required. You're required to provide your name and badge number.
You have a camera. Do you see this right here? Do you see this right here?
That was just tell the judge, though.
Telling me as a policeman.
I know, but you have to say it. You have to verbally say it. You have to verbally say it.
I explained it to you now. So now that you've been advised and you're refusing to do so, you're additionally you're incurring another charge on yourself. You understand that? Go ahead and step out.
I'm requesting your supervisor, please. I'm requesting your supervisor.
Go ahead and step out.
I'm requesting your supervisor, please.
You're just making things go like this.
Man, look, come here. I just want to know, why am I being pulled over?
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
Why am I being pulled over?
Just to let you know, you're making things worse for yourself.
I just want to know, why am I being pulled over?
I'm not answering your questions.
Look, can we truthful with you?
Yeah, I'll speak to you right out here.
No, right here. I'm talking about right here. I don't need to get out.
Sir, you're making things worse for yourself. It's foolish. You're wasting both of our time.
Why am I being targeted?
You understand that? You're wasting your time.
You hear me? Why am I being targeted? Why am I being singled out? No, I'm not. Why am I being... Can I talk?
I'm not going to say it again.
Why am I being singled out?
I'm not going to say it again. At this point, you haven't gotten a ticket. You're not under arrest.
I know, but...
Use my commands. Both of those things will happen.
Why am I being pulled over?
There's an option for you.
Why am I... This isn't a top...
Very easy process.
This isn't a stop.
Follow my instructions.
Dude, I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Of course you can. And when you click that later, you'll be able to hear it quite clearly.
You're the trusting something. I'm requesting your supervisor, please.
I'm letting you know.
I just want to know, why am I being pulled over? I'm trying to talk. I just want to know, why am I being pulled over? You're not doing your best. You're not, though. Why am I being pulled over?
Just understand, this was your decision. Do you have your name?
Huh?
Do you have your name?
Why?
Excuse me?
Just want to know why, man. Yes, why?
Why what?
Why do you want my name?
Because you're on a traffic stop. You're required to give it. Do you understand that?
For what, though?
For what?
Why did you put me over?
Okay.
Why did it stop happening? That's all I want to know, man.
Yeah. You got to realize something. What's your first name?
Why?
Your name is Y?
No, it's not. No, it's not why.
The reason,
Come on, man.
The reason why you're stopped is secondary. Do you understand? Because if
what would the first charge be then?
Are you going to talk or listen?
What would the first charge be?
Are you going to talk or listen?
Go ahead.
So I'll tell you what.
Patrolman hard.
If I tell you why I stopped you, and you don't like that, and then you refuse to give me your identification, how do you think that goes? Now all of a sudden we're arguing, right?
What's the reason?
That's why you identify yourself first, and that's why you follow commands of a policeman.
Well, the law
that's why
is,
you do what you're told on a stop, so it doesn't go south.
Well, the law is.
Do you understand that?
Do you understand the law? Do you know what the law is?
Do I understand the law?
Yes.
I think I do, sir. I appreciate the question, though.
Did you hold uphold to the Constitution?
I'm sorry?
Did you uphold to the Constitution?
Listen, I'll tell you what. This is how it's going to end.
See how he's not
answering? You understand me? This is how it's going to end. I don't have time for these stupid games. Okay.
What games?
You feel like the way that you're acting is appropriate. You feel like the way that you've treated.
I know my rights, man. That's what it is.
Clearly you don't. But this is what I have to do. I have other things that are way more important than this. Do you understand that? You play your games. You do everything that you're doing right now, and you'll find yourself in a negative position. Do you understand that?
No, I won't.
All you have to do is follow commands. Do what you're told.
That's not how it goes.
Listen,
that's what y'all want to do,
what you
man.
don't understand is
y'all want to be
all you want to do is argue
all the time.
Right?
Y'all work for us.
And that's the problem.
Y'all work for us, man.
You realize that? That's what's wrong with the things that you're doing
I don't just want to argue.
Okay?
I don't just want to argue.
You're free to go. You understand that?
Yep.
Just understand this. There are laws on the road for a reason. You should follow them so that you don't end up on a traffic stop. You understand?
Okay,
and
what
you
law
don't
did I
end
break?
up getting tickets and fines and fees and ridiculous behavior. You understand that?
What law did I break?
You should focus on that.
What law did I break?
Have a great day.
After nearly 8 minutes of demands, threats, and repeated orders, the officers still couldn't identify a single law this driver had violated. No citation was issued, no arrest was made. No evidence of wrongdoing was ever presented. The driver remained focused on one question: what law did I break? And in the end, that question was never answered. When authority can't justify its actions, intimidation becomes the only tool left. And when that fails, they walk away empty-handed.
Subscribe and follow for more videos.